down to the last field here. We got one more after this one. One harvest will be done. We're right up along 80 here today. 240, 250 there, 16.6 moisture there at the moment. There. Standing very nice. It was about 21 degrees this morning. You can see 80 over there. Wheat looks really nice. There's the home farm over there. This time of the year, we usually don't have a lot of leaves on, but there's still a lot of leaves and debris. Usually it's just a stalk and the ear. You can see some of the stuff down here already fell off. Last night we had some pretty good high winds and a couple snow swirls that came through. I don't know if you can see it or not. 254 there, 250, 16.9. We've been really bad on making videos here, and it's just, I don't know, it's a little overwhelming to move to another location. A lot of things are going on. I think here, once we get into winter here, we can get back on a schedule and update you on where our thoughts are on the cattle barn. It's still in the works. A couple ideas that we want to do here for crops and stuff like that. She's definitely making corn. We're still learning the land a little bit, how to ground, you know, where's the best stuff to plant stuff. Do we want to do more alfalfa? We have one strip out. We'll see how that does next year. We are in there. You can see some little gear damage there, maybe. I don't know. I was going to call my dad to see if he wanted to come over and sit. Let him know we're cutting the corn over here. But yeah, there's a lot of things that have to come into play when you move. Just trying to fit in the area. You know, we were used to doing certain things different ways down in Lancaster area. And, try to build a new customer base and everything like that. But it's come along. I wouldn't say it was easy or anything. Nice to see a nice buck get kicked out or something while we're making a video, but like I said, we started in September with harvest, and here's November the 28th, I believe. And, really enjoyed it. This is something I really love doing, and not too many people love their jobs, but in agriculture, I mean, you really gotta love it to put the time in it, and it's good to see a nice crop. It started out really dry, and we got some rains. And, yeah, A lot of blessings. Can't wait to see the wheat crop. Already deciding, what we're going to do for next year. I did some chisel plowing across the road area. If I can't see it, so there by that tree, we did worked that Timothy ground out. We'll put organic corn in there on that hillside. And I learned some lessons with the organic. It's not an easy crop to grow. Weed is your biggest tolerant to make things go, and it's all timing. I learned that. It's not like you can go in there and plant and then decide we got a wheat problem, and go in there with a sprayer and kill it. You can't do that. Yeah, we feel blessed every opportunity we get. And, like I said, on the organic, the cultivating, I really enjoyed that stuff. There's things that didn't go well. For our first year, full-time organic, I'd learned a lot, and I'd like to share some of those guys that are interested in going that way. Your first year doesn't go the way you could, kind of what you expected, especially when you're used to planting crops with genetics and hybrids and different things, and a lot of things can go wrong. The biggest thing for me this year was the rain, and not being able to get in, cultivate at the right time, and try not to make a mess of the field. Maybe I should try to go through the spots where I could have, but the one field that I kept after, did very well, very clean. So those are some of the things we'll do. A little series on how to grow organic. What we made our mistakes were. That was the biggest thing, because maybe we can help other people and other farmers that want to try it on a small scale or large scale. Yeah, so today is kind of our last day. It's kind of a bittersweet. I really enjoy it, so I never really get tired of it. We had some issues, and we dealt with them, and with the machine, and just constantly trying to make things better. So I'll kind of add a little bit more here yet. I'm going to try to keep our videos around 10 minutes. Those are some of my thoughts, and I try to answer the questions that I can. But like I said, it's all new to me here in this area, and it's been a lot of learning curves. Okay, here's the last 6 rows of corn for 2023 on my farm. It's been an awesome year. That's all I can say as far as yields. And, crops look really well, but 250, 260. Now it's time to sit down and start thinking about 2024, planting and types of corn, and ordering fertilizer. And some people think the farmers can harvest their crop and then they get the next 3 months off, but I wish. Seen a nice red fox out here earlier chasing a rabbit down. we're going to do some chisel plowing here a little bit, just to straighten some fields up. Try to haul some chicken manure. Then we'll have some organic corn to haul out to the mill. They said they would start maybe taking some in December. There we go. Go up here and put on the big Ford. These 2 years don't want to go in. About roughly 500 bushel will be on that truck. That's the end of corn harvest. Trucks out here the other day, corn out, boy, she's pulling hard. Hey, good afternoon, guys. I'm out here doing a little chisel plowing. We brought trucks in here to pull corn out. November the 30th here, we're running these Trelleborg TM600s on the front, 420-85 R34s. Excellent traction. On the back here, we got the Trelleborg TM600s on here again, 480-80 R50s. Excellent traction. Ground is really hard. A lot of compaction here from the trucks. Kind of see we're busting it up there a little bit. But she's pulling. We got her weight down pretty good. Just trying to get that compaction out of here where the trucks went. Trelleborg for the win. Very low footprint without air pressure. I think we're running about 30s in the front, 18s in the back for pressure. Hey, good afternoon, guys. While we're out here just doing some chisel plowing here, this is where we brought the trucks in the field here, and we're using the John Deere 7290R with Trelleborg's TM600s on it, and it's just pulling through this hard ground. Just busting that hard pan back up.